Hello everyone, welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to embed fonts in a Microsoft Word document. If you email a copy of your Word document or PowerPoint presentation to someone who does not have the font you used installed, Microsoft Office displays the document in the default font. This can throw off the entire layout and make the document look completely different. But you could avoid this by enabling fonts in your documents. When working on a document in the Windows version of Word, PowerPoint or Publisher, go to the File menu and select Embed Font. At the bottom of the menu that opens, click the Options item. In the left pane, click Save. Check the Embed Fonts in the File option under Preserve Fidelity while sharing this document. Check the Embed only the characters used in the document. Optimal for decreasing file size. Option to lower the file size of the generated document. Leave the option to Do not integrate common system fonts enabled. This will also assist to minimize file size by removing any Windows system fonts the receiver may have installed. To save your changes and save the document normally, click OK. The document's typeface will be incorporated into the file. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.